Need to know how to get rid of gophers? In this video, we'll explore effective strategies for getting rid of gophers and reclaiming your outdoor spaces. Gophers, with their extensive tunneling and voracious appetite for roots and plants, can wreak havoc on lawns, gardens, and agricultural fields. Dealing with a gopher infestation requires persistence and a combination of control methods. Gophers are burrowing rodents commonly found in North America. They are known for their characteristic mound-shaped burrow entrances and complex tunnel systems. Gophers feed on roots, bulbs, and plant material, making them particularly destructive to gardens and landscaped areas. Addressing a gopher problem promptly is essential to prevent extensive damage to vegetation. Several methods can be employed to eliminate gophers from your property. Here are some effective strategies to consider. Trapping is one of the most reliable methods for controlling gopher populations. Gopher traps are designed to capture the rodents as they move through their tunnels. Set traps near active burrow entrances, which are typically identified by fresh mounds of dirt. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper trap placement and baiting. Check traps regularly and reset as needed until gopher activity ceases. Exclusion methods aim to prevent gophers from accessing certain areas of your property. Installing underground barriers made of wire mesh or hardware cloth can deter gophers from tunneling into gardens or landscaped areas. Bury the barrier at least 2 feet deep to prevent gophers from burrowing underneath. Encouraging natural predators of gophers, such as owls, hawks, snakes, and domesticated cats, can help control populations. Providing habitat features like perches or nesting boxes can attract predatory birds to your property. Keep in mind that relying solely on natural predators may not provide immediate relief from a gopher infestation but can contribute to long-term control efforts. Fumigation involves introducing toxic gases into gopher burrows to eradicate the rodents. This method is typically employed by professional pest control services and may require special equipment and permits. Fumigation can be effective in eliminating gophers from large or heavily infested areas but should be used with caution due to the potential risks to human health and the environment. Dealing with a gopher infestation requires a proactive approach and a combination of control methods. By employing trapping, baiting, exclusion, and prevention strategies, you can effectively eliminate gophers from your property and protect your outdoor spaces from further damage. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.